Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this 2018 Jeep Cherokee Laredo 4x4. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. Diamond black crystal pearl paint, black interior, 3.6 liter V6. It's got the blue stitching, as well as blue accents on the exterior as well. All the seat surfaces are in excellent shape. Center console. No wear on any of the buttons. Dash is in excellent shape too. I believe it's just a cover. It's really nice underneath. This is a 4x4. Back seats, very nice as well. One owner car, clean Carfax report. Good service history. This originally came with 20-inch wheels. Upgraded now, brand new tires as well, blue accent badges, gloss black exterior accents, gloss black grille with black honeycomb, liquid titanium accents, Upland Package, 115 volt driver's door, excellent shape. This car has 67,000 miles, steering wheel in excellent shape as well, driver's seat very nice. Non-smoking car, sunroof, no strange pet hair or pet odors, black headlight bezel finishes, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hill descent, 8-way power lumbar, power liftgate, Quadra-Trac 4-wheel drive system, remote start, security alarm, tow hooks, universal garage door opener, power sunroof, Uconnect. It's got a lift on it as well. All right, if you're looking for an off-road ready Jeep Grand Cherokee, give us a call, 858-382-1319. This gets about average combined of 21, but on the freeway 25 miles per gallon as well. Really clean inside and out, well maintained, well optioned. 858-382-1319. Give us a call. You can find the video, Carfax, and additional photos on our website, iconiccoach.com. We do take trades. We also have financing available on our website. You can submit a credit application there. We have ceramic coating, paint protection available as well. Give us a call, 858-382-1319. Don't forget to please like and share and follow. Thank you so much. Have a great day.